The Fisher F11 comes with a detector stand, padded armrest, forearm grip, here you see the plus and minus buttons, menu, pinpoint, mode, on-off button. It has a 3-pole setup. Here's the middle pole, and this will tighten the poles. It's adjustable in length, and it has an 18.5 centimeter concentric coil, great for discriminating out iron and stuff. The whole detector weighs only 1 kilogram. Battery is in here. Just open it up. One 9-volt battery powers it for about 25 hours. Let me close it here. Not easy to do with one hand. Okay. So, but battery change just takes about 10 seconds. Now how to use it. All you need to do is power it up. Now it's on. In jewelry mode, already disc out the nails. Here's a nail on the ground. In that mode you won't find it. Coin is in. Nail is gone. If you go to the next mode, coin mode is for United States only coin mode. And if you go to artifacts, everything is accepted. So nail is in, coin is in. And if you want to use the artifact mode and just want to switch, here you change the volume. Here you can switch the sensitivity. Next is notch. If you want to switch notch, just press plus until FE disappears. It's gone now. If you want to notch out more, you just press plus again. Now the second category is notched out. Notching in the same way. Just press until it blinks. Wait a few seconds. Now it's back in again. So now iron is gone. The nail will be gone. I'm now swinging over the nail. It's gone. Coin is still in. So that easy to use. And if you turn it off and on again, it starts again at factory preset jewelry mode. So nails are already gone. The nail here, I'm swinging over the nail, is gone. Coins are back in. Switching modes, just switch modes by pressing the mode button, and now it will find everything in the artifact mode. It's like an all metal mode. And here's the pinpoint button. If you press it, it will show you the depth while swinging over it, and beeps as long as you press the pinpoint button. That's all you need to know to handle that, beautiful F11 metal detector. Thank you for watching.